Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, How to HVAC. Today I'm going to show you how to expand or swage copper pipe using tube expanders, and then we are going to solder or solder our joins using MAP gas, some flux and some brown tip solder. So let's get straight into it, guys. I'm just going to set my camera here for the video. So the first things first I'm going to do is prep my copper pipe. Now this pipe has already been cut and deburred. If you'd like to know how to do that properly, check out my previous videos. So we've got some emery tape here. You can use fine and grit sandpaper, which does the same job. We're just going to clean our pipe. Like so. So you can now see that the ends are nice and shiny, and any dust or grime or any yucky stuff has now been taken off the surface. So the next thing we're going to do is get our MAP gas, and we're going to anneal the pipe to soften it before we expand it. So this is my MAP gas setup. Basically you just open your valve up, and it's got a on-off position, so we'll turn it on. You can pull the trigger in and it ignites. So to anneal the pipe, you just literally are trying to heat the pipe up without letting it glow red, okay? So just give it about a few minutes each side. Like so. Now for our tube expanders. You want to take your expanders and open the handles up like this. And today we're going to be using 3/8 and 1/2 inch. I'll start with the 3/8. So you grab your 3/8 expander head, open your handle to the expanders, and screw on the expander head. Now it's ready to go. So firstly you need to insert the end of the tube expanders into the tube copper, and slowly, bit by bit, clamp. Now I actually move it around so it doesn't clamp in the same spot, so it's a nice even swage. So as I'm turning the handle, I'm squeezing more. I release, turn, squeeze. You can even go back the other way. Squeeze. And just keep repeating this until you eventually bottom out the expanders. About there. So that has now been expanded. Time for our 1/2 inch one. Again, insert the head of the expander into the pipe and start clamping, and release and move, release and move, and just keep repeating this process until you eventually bottom the expanders out. About there. Okay guys, So I'll get a close-up of this. You can see the pipe has been expanded. That sits in there nicely. And same with our 3/8 pipe. Okay, so you get the picture. Now we need to clean our offcuts with our emery tape. I just and our 3/8. So now we want to get some of our flux and our solder, and you just want to dip your solder into the flux like so, and I usually just use this to spread onto the pipe. I notice that can sit straight in there. Same with our 1/2 inch. Now it's ready to sit in its swage position. So just make sure the pipes are really in there, guys. If you like, as a safety, you can actually sit the pipe all the way in, mark it with a pen, and then pull it out, then put your flux on, and then put it back in, so you know where the pen mark is, that it's gone in all the way, okay? That's another trick to the trade. So without further ado, guys, we're pretty much ready to solder our joins. So I'm going to start with the 1/2 inch one. And you want to start heating this part of the pipe first, so it expands and sits into the swage joint nicely, okay? Now you want to heat the bottom part to suck the solder into the swage joint. That one's pretty good, guys. I'm going to move on to the 1/2 inch side. There we have it, guys. Now you would naturally let this cool down on its own to prevent any fracturing of the pipe, but for this video I've got a wet rag here handy so we can just clean our joins up. And there we have it, guys. Here's my join. And that's it. Now guys, if you would like to subscribe and like this channel, that would help me out a lot. If there's anything you guys want to see, just let me know, drop a comment, and I'll try and get it done for you guys, okay? I hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.